got some more bottle babies. First time mother had triplets tonight, and she likes one of them and not these two. This one was noticeably weak, hasn't really gotten on his feet yet, but he was able to hold up his head, so we've been warming them up. This little man was on his side, laying down ice cold, and we have gotten him not quite up to temperature, but he's getting there. So, two more BBs, which is okay. She's a first-time mama. She's liking the one. So we'll make sure these boys get what they need.